finally consider crowning the Philippines again, how would you do it?
Well, first of all, hi Miss Julia, and I would love to say that I appreciate your authenticity and your foundation that you have kept with Miss World being so focused on purpose and beauty with a purpose. And to convince you to give the Philippines a crown, I think that's actually the opposite. The Philippines needs to convince her to give us the crown. And so I hope that during this month I can show you my character, my integrity, my wit, my sportiness during the sports fast track, and I hope that I can show you every facet, every aspect of who I am, and that you, God willing, would choose me to represent the Miss World pageant, Miss World competition, beauty with a purpose, and everything that Miss World stands for. So let me prove it to you. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you.
Can you tell me the first word that you learned in Vietnam?
Yeah, so I just got here to Vietnam. We were in the airport, and Miss Lori greeted us so openly, so warmly, and she taught me the word "yeah." She said it's very friendly, very
Polite.
polite.
Yes.
So thank you so much for teaching me. I am so open and willing to learn. So excited.
Okay.
You see the transformation? Super! Diba? So, I think she's very ready, especially tomorrow, to compete for the Miss World in Vietnam. And I hope and pray that this time, after how many years? 13 years. Maybe after 13 years, the youngest candidate, the youngest representative of the Philippines will get the blue crown again. Are you guys positive?
Yes!
So, for me, congratulations in advance. As I've said to you, just do your best. And I'm very positive that you can.
So inyo naman pong napanood mga kapolitika itong mga latest na mga video clip ng ating candidate dito sa Miss World 2026 na ginaganap sa bansang Vietnam, itong si Asia Rose Simpson. Dahil tapos na nga po yung Reyna Filipinas at nakapagbigay naman na tayo ng mga reaction videos natin sa katatapos lang na beauty pageant competition dito sa ating bansa. Ngayon naman ang ating susubaybayan ay itong laban sa international stage ng ating pambato sa Miss World, kung saan ay nananawagan itong si Asia Rose Simpson dito sa CEO ng Miss World na si Julia Morley. Dahil sobrang tagal ng panahon na nanalo tayo dito sa kanyang beauty pageant competition, so I believe na it's about time na maibalik ang corona para sa Pilipinas. Dahil kinakailangan, ang pinaka-importante dito mga kapolitika is ma-please natin yung CEO ng Miss World, dahil yun ang talagang judge at handpick na yung winner dito sa kailang beauty pageant by the CEO. So yun ang kinakailangan na ma-impress mo siya at ma-convince mo siya na karapat dapat ka para dito sa corona. At ito na nga po ang ginagawa ni Asia Rose Simpson, na kinakailangan magpakitang gilas siya na matuwa sa kanya, kumbaga, yung pamunuan ng Miss World na si Julia Morley. So throwback lang, mayroon tayong hindi magandang karanasan dito sa sa Vietnam, most especially during that time nila Atisa manalo sa Miss Cosmo at itong kay Kirk Bundad na sa Mr. World. So same year sila nag-compete dito sa Vietnam at pareho silang naligwak mga kapolitika. Pero buti na lang dito kaya Chelsea Fernandez is medyo bumawi naman yung Miss Cosmo, dahil first runner up tayo. At sabi pa nga ng CEO is dapat daw sana si Chelsea yung winner, but it's just that ang handpick na mga judges ay yung taga USA na si Yulina Lindquist. At wala naman tayong dispute doon mga kapolitika, at atin lang pong pinag-uusapan dito ay yung nangyari in the past prior dito kay Chelsea Fernandez. So marami ang mga netizen, agam-agam nila at mga spekulasyon na baka maulit yung nangyari dito kay Atisa manalo kay Kirk Bundad dito sa ating pambato sa Miss World na si Asia Rose Simpson. So sa ngayon, it's very early to say, pero siguro is bigyan natin ng benefit of the doubt, although meron tayong mga agam-agam rin mga kapolitika, mga concern at mga fears dito sa maging laban ni Asia Rose Simpson dahil nga sa Vietnam. So hopefully yung top 5 is pipiliin according sa pagiging deserve ng isang candidate at hindi dahil host ang Vietnam ay automatically silang ipapasok sa top 5. So parang bias yun at unfair yun sa ibang mga representatives. Okay? So sana ispatas ang laban at happy to say naman na ang comment at ang reaksyon ng ating mga netizens sa social media dito kay Asia ay maganda at positibo. Although ang sabi ng iba naman is kinakailangan daw na baguhin ni Asia yung kanyang styling mga kapolitika, yung kanyang ayos. So nasa team na yan ni Asia at sana is makikinig sila sa mga constructive criticism dahil para rin naman yan sa ikakabuti ng ating candidate dito sa Miss World 2026 na si Asia Rose Simpson. So dahil tapos na nga po again ang Reyna Pilipinas, dito naman po tayo mag-focus sa mga kaganapan update kay Asia Rose kung saan ay talagang sinalubong rin siya ng ilan sa mga Vietnamese dito sa sa Miss World 2026 na gaganapin sa kailang bansa. At sana is yung mga Vietnamese rin ay maging all out rin ang support dito kay Asia Rose Simpson dahil pag yung kanila naman is pupunta dito sa ating bansa is sinusuportahan din naman natin sila. Okay? So yun po ang ating pinaka-latest na update. At ito pa lang si Asia Rose, isahawak pala siya ni Sir ALV or ni Sir Arnold Vigafria. So nasa mabuting mga kamay itong si Asia Rose. So mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong masasabi? Ano po ang inyong mag-reaction dito sa maging laban Asia Rose Simpson sa Vietnam? Kayo po ba ay nangangamba na baka maulit ang kasaysayan? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Okay naman po, medyo na-stress lang kasi traffic at ulan, but lang tayo. I'm so excited to represent the Philippines in Vietnam.
So, ready na ba?
Ready naman, ready na ready.
Ano ang baon ni Asia pag-participate sa
Actually, we'll be getting there around 1 a.m., so we shall see.
Is there any last minute preparation you want to do?
I'm sorry?
Last minute preparation?
Packing everything, every outfit, every last minute thing. We had a lot of packing to do. As you can see, this is only about a third of our luggages, so. Probably experience, friends, hopefully. I hope to become friends with my roommate. God bless her soul, I don't know who she is yet, but I'm so excited to meet her.
What makes you stand out?
Okay. There's a lot of things I feel like makes me stand out, but I have a lot of experience as a performer, as a dancer, as a writer, as an illustrator. I have used every aspect and facet of myself during this competition, whether that was in dance for my talent, in sports and my VWAP with the Sport Fast Track, with writing and illustrating for the book that she had to bring to Miss World. I've used every ounce of my being in this pageant, and I'm so excited for what it brings.
What's the message of your parents after the
Oh, they said so much, and they were crying yesterday, but they told me that they're so proud of me. They remember when I was a child and my sisters were doing kid pageants with SM Little Stars and Mini Miss You with Maya, and I wanted my turn because I was already too old for all the kid pageants at that time, and so I felt very left out and rejected, but they said, we're so proud of you, you waited it out, and now your time has come. God has blessed you with this platform, and now it's your time. Take it. Yes, so I actually was mentored by several different beauty queens like Catriona Gray, Venus Raw, and Megan Young herself. They have been so helpful in this journey. Megan Young, actually I said this yesterday at the send-off party, but we had a meeting, and